Good morning, students. So we are going to continue with exercise 6.3 in this lecture. In my previous lecture we have done exercise 6.3 till question number 9, and I hope you have done all those questions in your notebook. Now we are going to start with question number 10. CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and EGH. These are two angles, EGH and ACB. Bisectors are lying D on AB and H on EF of these two triangles respectively. And it is given that triangle ABC and triangle EFEG, ABC and FEG are similar to each other. It is given. But we have to prove CD upon GH equal to AC upon FG, triangle DCB similar to HGE, and triangle DCA similar to HGF. So how will you solve? We will start. We will write given first. What is given to you? Given is triangle ABC similar to FEG. So what I have done, I have prepared a list of parts, corresponding parts of these two similar triangles. A and F will be equal because triangles are similar. B and E will be equal, and C and G will be equal. Same way, because triangles are similar, then sides are going to be proportional. AB upon FE, BC upon EG, and AC upon FG. These sides are in proportion. So let's start for first part, triangle ACD and triangle FGH. Angle A and angle F, both are corresponding parts of similar triangles. Then it is given also. Then we have angle C and angle G are equal. This is also given. But what we will do? We will make half of both. Half of C. If C and G are equal, then halves will also be equal. We will take angle 1 from this side and angle 2 from that side, because we are going to prove these two triangles similar. So triangle ACD is similar to triangle FGH by angle similarity. Therefore, what happens now? We can say that CD upon GH equal to AC upon FG. These are corresponding parts of similar triangles. CD upon GH equal to GH, CD upon GH equal to AC upon FG. Corresponding parts are equal, right? Now second part we have, in second part we have to show triangle DCB similar to triangle HGE. Triangle DCB, now he is talking about this, and HGE means this, these two triangles. So this is already you have proved, CD upon GH equal to AC upon FG. Okay, already proved. And this is given that CD upon AC upon FG is equal to BC upon EG. Equation I have marked as star. This equation we can see from here that AC upon FG is equal to BC upon EG. Now equating these two equations 1 and 2, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. We have AC upon FG equal to common. So we can say that CD upon GH is equal to BC upon EG. See, this is CD, this one, GH, and then we have BC, this one, this side, and now we have EG, this side. EG is this side. Now you have this triangle and you have this triangle, right? These two sides are equal. Now in second part we have to show that triangles are similar. So what we will do, we will take these two triangles. We will write for DCB and HGE, right? So this relation we have proved that CD upon GH equal to BC upon EG, right? These ratios are equal. Then what you can say, again angle C and angle G are equal, so half of them is also equal. If half of them are equal, then you will take that half part. This side you will take 3 and this side you will take 4. this 4, angle 4. So both these triangles are going to be similar, like we have done this one here. But in these two triangles, we have two ratios of sides equal and one angle, included angle, equal. It means by SAS triangles are similar. So same way you can do third part, that is DCA and HGF. You just try it yourself, DCA and HGF. We have already proved the ratios are equal, and then we can take half of the angle and we can prove it to be equal. So this part you can do yourself. Question number 10, third part you can do yourself, same as second part. Question number 11, in the given figure, E is a point on side BC. BC is a side, it is produced to E and then it is joined to, triangle is isosceles, AB and AC are equal. If AD is perpendicular, means making an angle of 90 degree, and EF is perpendicular on AC, they have to show that triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. ABD and then ECF. So it is given that two sides are equal, AB and AC are equal. This is given. If AB and AC are equal, then angle C and angle B are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. These angles are equal, and angle F and angle D both are 90 degree each. So by angle property, triangles are similar. So we can say triangles are similar. This is question number 11. Now we are supposed to do question number 12. Side AB, BC and AD of triangle ABC is respectively proportional to PQ, QR and PM. AB, BC and AD proportional to PQ, QR and PM. We have to prove that triangles are similar. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. This we have to prove. So what will you take in proof? We know that AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR. And if I make half of both, half of BC and half of QR, I can take it as BD upon QM, because D and M are midpoints of BC and QR. So we can take, if complete sides are equal, then with median half of them will also be equal. Now we have AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM. These two sides are equal, and it is also given, this is from equation 1, we can say, what does it mean? AB PQ, BD QM and AD and PM. Then these two triangles, they are similar. Therefore triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. If these two triangles are similar, then angle B and Q are corresponding parts of similar triangles. So this is the reason why we proved these two triangles, to get the third part also. Earlier it was given AB PQ, BC QR, AD PM. Third part was not given. Two sides were given, third was not given. So third we have done by taking these two triangles, corresponding parts. We have got angle B and angle Q equal. Right? Now what will you do? You have to prove triangle ABC and triangle PQR. This is given, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. This is given, and angle B equal to angle Q you have just proved. So triangles will be similar. Triangles are going to be similar. Now next is question number 13. D is a point on side BC of triangle ABC such that angle ADC, this is angle ADC, this angle ADC is equal to angle BAC, this complete angle. This angle and this angle, both of them are equal, it is given. we have to show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. CA square is equal to CB into CD. So what will you do? You take triangle ACB and DCA, one big triangle and one small triangle. In triangle ACB and triangle DCA, angle C is common and angle ADC equal to angle BAC, this is given. So triangle ACB is similar to triangle DCA by angle similarity. Both these triangles are similar, ACB and triangle DCA. So you have CB upon CA, CB upon CA, one of smaller triangle and one of big triangle, is equal to CA upon CD. These are corresponding parts of similar triangles. Then cross multiplication will give you CA square equal to CB into CD.